Welcome friends. Some of you know how hot it can get here in Central Florida. And with your air conditioning units running all day long, your electric bills can get kind of expensive. Older units such as this one might give us a couple more years, so I'm going to try to keep it running as efficiently as possible. The outside portion of the air conditioning can also be called the condenser unit, and we're going to use the hose to clean the cooling fins. First step, I'm going to turn off the thermostat for that unit. Second, remove disconnect. Place on top. Close cover so no water can get in. Next, we are going to remove the fan guard. You can use your thumb on the end of the hose to give it a little more force, but you never want to use a pressure washer. On the inside, start at the top and work your way down. Once you are finished cleaning your cooling fins, simply reconnect everything back in the reverse order. Well, I hope you can save a couple dollars on your electric bill. Thank you.